Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Halloween outdoor decor ideas offer a delightful opportunity to infuse the exterior of a home with a bewitching charm that captures the essence of the season. From classy and spooky to visionless and enchanting, the choices are endless for creating a Halloween wonderland. Start by adorning the front porch with a hauntingly beautiful wreath, incorporating elements like bats, pumpkins, or airy foliage. Embrace the spooky spirit by placing carved pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns along the pathways, illuminating them with the flickering candles or LED lights to cast a ghostly glow. Introduce a playful touch with life-size skeletons, witches, or ghosts. Playful pose around the yard, eliciting surprise and delight from passerby from a haunted graveyard theme. Utilize tombstones and creepy props to create an eerie atmosphere. Enchant the space with strings of twinkling fairy lights, creating a magical and visionless area. Don't forget to dress up trees with ghost diapers or colorful streamers for added spookiness to complete the experience. Add spooky sound effects like creating doors, hallowing wolves, or haunting music that echoes through the ride. These Halloween outdoor decor ideas offer a bed-witching experience that not only enhances visitors but also embraces the spirit of the season, making it a celebration to remember for all who dare to venture into the enchanted Halloween realm. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.